Hello guys, this is softmemeware here and welcome to the product Commission Creator. So in this video let me show you the product Commission Creator from inside, and firstly thank you that you are giving your valuable time to watch my Commission Creator review. So let me give you a very brief of this tool. So this tool is all about giving you in the front end section. Let me repeat this thing, that in the front end section you will be given an affiliate website, like one affiliate website inside this tool. So I will be giving you some good bonuses. 9 crazy bonuses will be given to you, as I have written here inside the title. That will be given to you totally free, as I have promised. I will be obviously giving you. So that is my one of the purposes to making this video, like to show you the tool and also to give you the bonuses. So let me show you. So let me click on preview. Inside the dashboard there is a preview button or preview thing. You can click on preview and you can watch your website at any instant. Like this kind of website will be given to you totally free, done for your website. And what else you need, like let me show you one post from the website. Okay, it is taking a bit time. Okay, so you can copy the URL and you can promote your website inside these places. Like so many stuffs, so many sharing features are given, as the owner claim. According to the owner, they have given more than 60 platforms inside one tool. What you have to do, that after purchasing the product or before purchasing the product, you can make an account inside each and every these social platforms. Okay, so after doing 60 accounts, what you can do, that via just one click you can share to them. You can share on those platforms, or maybe via 60 clicks. For each platform you have to click once, at least once. So that is the thing. I think this is pretty annoying for anyone. Okay, so the view tutorial is for showing the tutorial, and let me show you. So this has come, as you can see, this kind of bonuses thing and buttons, and everything is pretty done for you. And the images and the screenshots from the sales page, like it can save off your 5 to 4 hours each and every day, and also can give you a highly profitable money or earning each and every day. I can assuredly say that, cause I am doing the thing by myself. Okay, and what I want to do, that what I like to do, that I like to work inside affiliate marketing, and that is the main cause. I don't rely on any software. I like to do it own. Okay, so if you don't like to do, if you do not have that much of time, you want to depend on passive income and really passively, you can afford this tool very easily. I highly recommend this tool. This tool is very good for you. And let me show you something more. Inside that thing, after the dashboard, the settings comes here, and inside the general settings you have to give some general stuffs, like the descriptions, your site title, your tagline, your email address, and the logo obviously. And next thing is bio, your bio details, and some stuffs. And the next thing is your affiliate ID. This is a very important thing. Like you have to put your JVZoo ID or your ClickBank ID or Warrior Plus ID. Each and every ID is pretty crucial, cause via the ID you will be given the commissions. Okay, and the next thing is social links. So inside social links there are so many platforms given here. Inside the front end section you will be given this like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest and LinkedIn. But from the sales page I came to know that they are giving 60 platforms, but I am not sure. Just for this video purpose, just keep in mind that you will be given 7 social platforms. You can share your post at any instant inside these 7 platforms. And the next thing is MailChimp, like the email facility, autoresponding facility is given here. You can integrate in your email autoresponder, but you have to have an account inside MailChimp. Okay, MailChimp is a good autoresponder. Many of the users are still using MailChimp. And custom script and footer. I know footer, but I don't know what is custom script. Okay, let me click on this. While I was using previously this tool, I was not aware of this custom thing, and I am not convinced, and that is why I can't convince you the custom script and the footer. Maybe this is the widget feature. You can paste any widget script, and the widget will be appearing inside your website, like any tracking link you can paste here, any autoresponder thing like the email capturing, lead capturing features you can paste here, html paste here. Okay, and like this is a page builder or a website builder, whatever you can say. The commission creator. And the next thing is your captured leads will be here. It is taking time, and these are the offers. Let me show you inside a new tab. So it is taking time. It is pretty annoying why it takes so much time. Why it is taking so much time. I do so many grammatical mistakes. So while this is loading, let me show you from this page. Okay, the bonuses. So this is the cover image of this tool, and these are the ratings. Usually I give performance section inside any product, but this tool will be dependable how you use it. Like you have to consistent with this tool, then you will be obviously get the result with this tool. Okay, so the feature and facilities 96, 95, 93 markets, and overall it has got 9.5 out of 10, which is an extraordinary rating, and also not extraordinary but a very 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 good rating. So this is the price, $17, pretty cheap, and also downsell $14. And additionally they are giving we will be secured with 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee. And these are the product descriptions. So it has come, I think these are the lead section. Your captured lead will be here, and these are the offers. You can check out any offer review page. Like this will be done for you, and any offers approval from Warrior Plus or from Zevizu, whatever the platform will be. It depends. It doesn't depend on the platform, but it will give you the done for you reviews. Maybe my internet is slow, that is why it is taking time. And you can get the link of the product also. This is your link, the website link, and you can share the website to any platform, to any social media platform, to get the traffics. And also these are the bonuses. Some bonuses will be given to you. And the next thing is opt-in form section, but it is not coming. Maybe my internet is slow. And the banners and the widgets. Okay, so I hope it would come. I am opening, sorry, let me just go to the dashboard, then I have to try it. I think. Okay, so the widget has come here, like the about widget, disclaimer, contact, feature offer, and these are the banners, your website banners, I think. And I have shown you pretty much everything, I think. So let me show you a bit faster my bonuses. So product owner, and these are my words. These are the product owners, my words, and sales funnel. You can visit this page basically from the video description link, and you can get the product and also the bonuses. So the first bonus is the free bonus, and the next thing is you can ask me anything from my Facebook page about make money online. You can ask me anytime, and I will be obviously answering you. So the next bonus is bonus number 1 is total 8 tools will be given to you totally free. The social boost, the Everlead, the page capturer like WordPress plugin, page capturer, lead capturer, and also 6 more software will be given to you. And the 10,000 per month, $10,000 per month, 10x commissions, and webinar authority, and solo ad building list, and 10k email manifesto. And the next one is the toolkit, internet marketing toolkit. Inside the toolbox or toolkit you will be given the banners, the swipes, cheat sheets, mind map, and sales video, everything. And like you can launch your own product. That toolkit will be very helpful for you, and being at mastery training. And these are the vendor bonus. The vendor will be giving you some bonuses. The general bonus section, in the semi-exclusive bonus section, the affiliate funnel bots, the traffic bots, and the video bot, resell bot, everything will be given to you by default. And also if you purchase the upsell of commission creator, you will be given more valuable packs. Like the upsells are costlier, that is why the packs will be more valuable, more softwares, 200 plus softwares, and also plugins, high quality graphics images, doodle character images. So that was the overview of this tool, and after purchasing the tool you have to go through this blue button to access the bonuses. So after purchasing, you can purchase this tool from this button, and then you can get the bonuses. So that was the overview of this tool and also the product and the bonuses, sorry. So I am now signing out, so I'm wrapping up the video. So bye bye.